Hello and welcome to the Chronicle. Friends, today we'll be discussing a very important formula that is called LEN function. Our LEN formula, it's of very significance uh, for the people who work in public sector or private sector who deal with a large number of data of customers like Aadhaar number, phone numbers, and many other numbers. So let's begin. So we have data here. We have 200 numbers of phone numbers, and we have given the responsibility to a team member to collect the data and survey the data and collect the phone numbers from the customers. So the numbers have been brought from the field, and the data entry operator has entered the number. But we don't know whether the numbers are correct. Some are looking 9, some are looking 8. So we want exactly 10 numbers so we can send it to the database software. So let's check with the len function. Len, we need exactly 10 numbers of mobile. Select the text, close the bracket, it's 10. So likewise, just click here. You can find out here there are some are 9, some are 10. So let's apply filter here. How many are 9 and how many are 10? So I want to know how many are 9 and 8 so that I can send back my employee to the field to collect data again. See here, total 44 number out of 200 numbers. 45 numbers are mobile numbers are only 9 digits. So if you send this type of data without any checking to the database, it will cause a real problem, and customers don't get a message of importance. So this formula len function comes into picture here, and it plays a very big role for the person who was analyzing the data. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe and share and comment if you like this video. Thank you.